Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you a tour of the residences at Terra. That's the building straight ahead. Now this development has been stopped. Now it's very strange, a sequence of events, so we're going to go through it and you guys let us know what you think. Now Terra, the owners of Terra currently operate a hotel. That's the hotel on the right, and they also operate a casino at the hotel, very popular. Now they decided to build a 14-story building on the hotel compound, which is what you're looking at straight ahead. Now it was going to cost $7 billion and be 14 floors. It was going to be a mixed-use building, meaning commercial, residential, and some use for a hotel. People bought in, made deposits, and construction started. Then the developers, which are the people that own Terra, decided they were going to change it and go with a straight hotel. So they refunded the money to everybody who had made a deposit for a residential unit and a commercial unit. So the entire project would now be a hotel. But it now turns out that the project has been stopped after the refunds were made. So I'm just speculating that maybe let's go through the article that gives more information on what they said when they announced the project was going to be stopped. And then you guys can leave your comments in the section below and let us know why you think it was stopped. Hussey family scraps residences at Terra. The owner of the Terra All-Suite Hotel, the Hussey family, has scrapped plans to develop the residences at Terra on Waterloo Avenue in Kingston, 16 months after breaking ground on a luxury 14-story development. The plan was to construct 91 luxury units for residential use and 30 fully furnished hotel suites on property adjacent to the Terra Hotel. Citing diverse external economic conditions impacting the residences at Terra, the developers announced that they had decided to reconfigure the project from a mixed-use business development to a commercial building only. Depositors for units have since been advised that all deposits made would be refunded. Outlining the rationale behind the change of plans, the developers said, based on sudden and significant changes in market conditions, the mixed-use business model for the development, hotel, and residential is significantly less viable at this time. Instead, the new building will only accommodate hotel suites and amenities as an extension of the existing hospitality facilities on the premises. Alright, so that is the article they gave for the change in the use of the development. But as you can see, the project has stopped. There was a massive crane capable of going up 14 floors, and that has been removed. So we'll keep you guys updated on this project, but guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys. That's another development in the area, the Halo Apartments. A lot of developments are taking place in this area. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.
Thank you.